I got here Mother Earth's scorpion picture. This predatory arachnid has 8 legs and is easily recognized by a pair of grasping claws and a narrow segmented tail that is often carried in a characteristic forward curve over its back. Ending with a venomous stinger, scorpions can grow as large as 20 centimeters. Their venom has a AC fearsome reputation, but only about 25 out of almost 1,500 species are known to have venom capable of killing a human. I don't know what AC means. It is a scorpion. And that is fearsome looking model. And the legs a little stinger. Curvature of the tail. This is like a mechanized scorpion rather than a realistic one like some of the other ones. Obviously it has gears. Here's the bottom. Also textured ears, mouthpiece. That in itself looks pretty scary. I like these little fins, dino fins. Front, side, tail. There we go. Yep. At this fearsome predator. That's all, folks.